everybody. It's the 25th of November, 1 month till Christmas, but more importantly, it's our birthday. It's 1 month of daily diary. So, let me show you what today's weather looks like. So, you can probably see it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous day, but it is about 4 degrees. And it's going to get colder, they reckon. So all the bikes are out. Christmas lights are on. So I'm going to do this one today at some point. I've got a few. Bell. I've got a few things to do. I've got the printer here, so that needs to be connected. But we're ready for a really busy and productive day, particularly as I would like to cast my eye over the Liverpool-Man City game this afternoon. So I'm going to make a list of all the stuff I've got to do and just work my way through it. Just cleaned 6 bikes, pressure washed 6 bikes that are going online next week. So you'll be able to see them at www.CycleRecycleuk.com. Easiest way to see them first is to follow us on social media. So follow our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter, or even follow us on LinkedIn. But those are the 3 main ones. As soon as I've built them, I put them on the website and then they go on social media. If you're interested, message me directly and I will stick it to one side for you. So that's the trick with that. I've also pressure washed 5 bikes that need to be processed, so that's either built or dismantled. So that's going to be my job tomorrow. My next job is working on getting some pedals off a customer's bike, so I'm going to do that now. So I've worked out that I need to process, i.e. basically cannibalise 12 wheels a day for every day that I'm here in order to get on top of the wheel situation. So I'm now going to do today's 12. I will put it on time lapse so that you can see it. Got a really nice haul of aluminium from there and a ton of steel ready for the scrap people to come and pick up, but the real value there is in the aluminium. So I'll go put them in the store and get this place tidied up, and then we'll get on with a donation that came in. So we just had this British Eagle Mexicana come in. It was bought from a shop maybe 4 miles away in 1996. It was ridden up until about 2013 and then it's been in the shed, but it's in amazing condition, absolutely amazing. And the gentleman who brought it in, he just wanted it to go to a good home rather than take it to the rubbish tip. So if you've got bikes that you don't want anymore, please don't scrap them. Bring them in. We can make use of them. So I'm going to quickly give this one a service, and then I mean, it really doesn't need much. So this will be a little quick time lapse, I reckon. So that's this one done. That was really easy. In fact, it was too easy. The gears just needed a bit of lubricating so that they selected. I mean, the tyres, if you look closely, the tyres still have their nozzles on them. It's mad. It's mad. It's not back. It's not been ridden. I just need to check that the tubes stay up, so this will be here overnight. That's that one done. So I'm back from lunch and we got a bit busy just before lunch. We sold the Apollo Creed, which is going to be picked up later, which is this bike. We also sold a Turbo Trainer, which was nice, and had a frame that we'd had for sale on our website, a Holdsworth frame that we had for sale. That also got collected as well. So we had and the guy with the pedals, actually, yeah, that got picked up as well. So I'm going to go and photograph some bikes, and then I'm going to concentrate on getting those onto the website and everything ready for next week. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get reminded of when we post a new video. We do videos every day at 7 PM, so if you want to keep up to date with what we do, you can go to www.cyclerecycleuk.com and you find out about everything we do. You've got about 4 days left to enter our competition where you can win a cycling computer, a discount card for 12 months and a silver service. Don't forget to do that, and we'll see you tomorrow.